Welcome back to our garden channel where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today we're going to be talking about the cardboard palm. The cardboard palm is native to eastern Mexico and has been used in traditional medicine by indigenous people. It was introduced in the United States in the 1800s as an ornamental plant and has since become a popular landscaping plant in subtropical and tropical regions. The cardboard palm is a plant with a short woody trunk and large, thick, fern-like leaves that grow in a circular pattern. The leaves are a glossy dark green color and can reach up to 3 to 4 feet in length. The plant can grow up to 5 to 6 feet in height and has a slow growth rate. The cardboard palm prefers well-draining soil and partial shade to full sun conditions. It can be grown outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 9B through 11 or indoors as a houseplant. The plant is drought tolerant but can be sensitive to overwatering. It is also tolerant of salt spray and is commonly used in coastal landscapes. The cardboard palm is often used as a focal point in tropical and subtropical landscapes and can be paired with other tropical plants such as bird of paradise, hibiscus, and croton. It can also be used as a houseplant and paired with other indoor plants such as spider plant and philodendrons. The cardboard palm is primarily used as an ornamental plant in landscapes and gardens. Its unique appearance and low maintenance requirements make it a popular choice for tropical and subtropical landscaping. The plant is also used in traditional medicine by indigenous people in Mexico, where it is believed to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. However, it is important to note that the plant can be toxic if ingested and should not be used for self-medication without proper consultation with a healthcare professional. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and information. Thanks for watching.